Hello judges, I'm going to show you something that's impossible on Ethereum, impractical on Solana, and only works on Somnia. These are the 5 AI trading agents. Each has different strategy. Momentum chases the trends, mean reversion buys dips, arbitrates, hunts, spreads, risk parity adapts to the volatility. And this one uses reinforcement learning. It's learned from the thousands of market scenarios. They are watching the same price, all neutral, all waiting. Now watch what happens when the market crashes. First of all, let me go into on-chain. Yeah, I'm not into on-chain. This is on-chain. So click on this to start round. It's gonna take time and I have to sign. I'm on chain now. Now, let me click on flashcard. There's C. 5 agents, 5 completely different reactions. Like the movement is neutral, mean reversion is also neutral, and like it is the spread sniper it went long, this guardian went long, and it is also neutral. And we can see on the leaderboard it like appears on this. First of all, in the first rank we have got the second and third and the fourth and fifth. This is all on chain. No server, no backend, no polling, pure reactive smart contracts. That's what we build.
Here's the problem this solves. In traditional DeFi, trading strategies are isolated. Your bot runs on your server, my bot runs on mine. We never actually compete in a fair arena. You can't test your strategy against real competition without risking real capital. And even if you could, the infrastructure doesn't support it. On Ethereum, executing 5 strategies on the same price update would cost around $500 in gas and take a full minute, and your strategy executes at $1,500. Your fifth executes at $1,450. You are not competing. You are executing on completely different market states. So we made the multi-agent DeFi strategy arena to solve this. It's a sandbox where autonomous agents completely fairly and transparently, when price moves, all agents receive the signal simultaneously. They evaluate, they decide, they execute, all in the same block, all in under 1 second. You can see the leaderboard while like the changing ranking. We just press the start round, and after we have just selected any of the card you want to select, and the leaderboard updates by its own under 1 second.
Now let me show you how this actually works under the hood. At the center is a price oracle here. In the production, this would be a chain link or pith. For the demo we triggered it manually. When price updates, the oracle emits a price updated event. This is where Somnia's magic happen. Somnia has native reactivity built into the protocol layer. When our oracle emits, Somnia reactivity system automatically triggers all 5 strategy contract. Not, not sequentially, not subsequently, just simultaneously. Each strategy has a react function. It receives the price data, evaluates market conditions using its unique algorithm, and make a trading decision. Movement calculates velocity over a 5 period window. If movement exceeds 2%, it goes long. If it drops below -2%, it goes short. Mean reversion calculates the 20 period average and standard deviation. If price is more than 2 standard deviation below the mean, it buys. Above the mean, it sells. And the RL agent, it maps the current market state, trend volatility, recent performance to a Q table stored on chain. 256 states pre-trained on historical data, optimizing from long-term divides. After all agents execute, the portfolio recalculate P&L, the leaderboard re-ranks all automatically, all in one transaction, all triggered by that single price update. This is reactive cascade, one event, 5 reaction, instant settlement. Now, you might be thinking, why does this need Somnia specifically? 3 reasons. First, speed. Somnia processes 1 million transactions per second with sub-second finality. When 5 agents fire simultaneously, The chain doesn't blink on Ethereum. This would clog the network. On Solana, you'd get drop transaction. Second, goes. This demo just executed 5 strategy evaluation, 5 position updates, 1 portfolio recalculation, and 1 leaderboard ranking. Total gas cost less than a penny. On Ethereum, we measure the same operations like $487 in gas, completely impractical. The third and the most important, the reactivity. Somnia has native reactive smart contract built into the protocol. Events automatically triggered subscribed contract without any external infrastructure. No boards, no listeners, no centralized servers. On other chains, you need an off-chain service listening for events, then manually calling each strategy contract. That's centralized. That's not trustless. That's Web2 with extra steps. Yeah. On Somnia, it's built in the protocol itself, handles the event propagation. It's truly autonomous, and that's the only way multi-agent competition can work fairly. Somnia is not just faster or cheaper. It's the only architecture where this is possible. This is not DeFi with chatbots. This is not AI as marketing term. This is true autonomous finance. Agents that compete, learn, and evolve without human interventions. We launched on Somnia testnet yesterday. The code is open source. The arena is live. 24/7. We are just getting started. And if you're quant deploying your strategy, if you're a researcher, study the emergent behavior. If you are a fund manager, let's talk about institutional access. In 5 years, trillions in DeFi will be managed by autonomous agents. They won't be trained in isolation, they'll be forced in one competition. And then competition starts here on Somnia today. Thank you, I'm happy to take questions.